Drew here from Drew's Crochet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to increase a double crochet. Now please remember, if you like these videos you can subscribe underneath, and even better, hit that little bell. Right, so if we're looking at how to increase a stitch, all you have to do is remember how to do a double crochet. So it's yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull through a loop, yarn over again, go through the first two loops, yarn over and finish the stitch. Now to increase, all you have to do is do exactly the same stitch in the same place. So we go back, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through again. And that, in a nutshell, is increasing a double crochet stitch.